Hey there, Licknriffers! What I'm holding in my hands right now is the new Collapsible, Collapsible Resonator by Journey Instruments. They've done the impossible and created a collapsible travel resonator, full-size resonator, electric as well. It plugs in, and this is a dream come true, and I take full credit for it because 5 or 6 years ago I actually told them that my personal dream would be for them to create a collapsible resonator. I planted the seed, I planted the idea, the dream in their minds, and voila. So you're welcome, Journey Instruments. No, I'm just kidding. I mean, this is a true story. I did ask them for it. But this is just a masterpiece of a guitar. This is a Spider Bridge full-size resonator that collapses and goes into a travel bag that goes overhead on the airplane. And obviously, slide guitar. This is just an amazing achievement in guitar making. And the sweet, sweet half banjo-ish, the half banjo-ish, bluesy. You know, you can just talk about sound all day, but I'm just in awe that I am holding a collapsible resonator that just collapses into a travel bag. Let me show you. It collapses into this travel bag. Okay, this is the place for the neck, and show you the inside. This is where you put the guitar body. This is where you put the neck, and that's it. It goes into the overhead compartment of the airplane. You just take it with you. Don't have to ship it in cargo. It's always the same pattern. This is the electric guitar, the Journey Instruments electric guitar, and you just release the neck. And that's it. You detach it. So that's what happens. And then you just snap it right back and you tighten it up until it's nice and tight. And there you go. And it still maintains the tuning, which is unbelievable. The world that we guitar players live in right now, it's a marvel. It's a dream come true. It was unimaginable even 10 years ago that this is where we're gonna be with guitar production and innovation. This is a dream come true, and Journey Instruments are just They don't stop. They keep innovating and they keep creating new masterpieces of guitars. This is an amazing guitar, even without the collapsible travel thing. Even when you ignore all that, this is just a fantastic resonator guitar. So thank you so much, Journey Instruments. Always a pleasure, and I'm looking forward to see what you come up with next. I'm gonna see the next video. Bye for now. Have fun.